Hey guys, Jason with Awesome RT. We're upstairs today. I'm just figuring I'm gonna do a quick unboxing if I can get this recorded without my little man interrupting. So I got a box today. FedEx dropped it off, which is great. Gonna open it up. We'll take a look at what we got.
Can be in a video with that.
Hang on, buddy. We're recording a video for YouTube. Can you say YouTube?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Come over here and help Daddy.
Here, you want some bubble wrap? You can play with that for a minute. Alright, so overall packaging, pretty good. It's all in here nicely. I'll slow that down. What we got is from DVG, Innovating Towards the Future. And what this is, I'm sure you guys know it by their the actual name, Superwrap. So I'm going to give this stuff a shot. In the past I've used Classy Dip, and it worked well. I mean, it held up. It's still out on the old Bessie, but I wanted to try the sprayable vinyl. So what I ordered was the wheel kit, and in that wheel kit you're going to get I did the white because I'm going to go with white, but you get 6 cans of Superwrap do-it-yourself sprayable vinyl wrap, and then also you get an extra, so you get 7 total white cans, and then the do-it-yourself gloss top coat. And then this is the prep spray that you'll use to prep your wheels after you've cleaned them, just to kind of get them ready for the Superwrap. So that's it for in the box. Hopefully the weather today is beautiful. It's 60 degrees outside, which is better than 5 what it's been. But I don't think I'm going to do this today. I'll probably wait closer to more springtime weather to do this, but we'll see. I will post a how-to video on this, as well as also a review. So hope you guys enjoy those and enjoy this. Have a great day. Enjoy those Mopars. Alright, and you got to talk to the camera. So Mommy's got the camera, and you tell them what's in the box. Okay, go ahead. What is that? Say bubble wrap. Yeah, bubble wrap. That's for protection. What else we got? We got some more bubble wrap. Say spray. You say spray. Spray. And say clear. Clear coat. And say white. White. Say oh Lulu. And we got some more white, don't we? This is heavy. Ready to hold it. There we go. All done. Yeah, we just got papers. We got some papers.
Say have a good day, YouTube.
Say have a good day, YouTube. Say bye, YouTube. Bye.